Yes, cheap shot there, tauhenere. So our democratic engagement tool, Vote Compass, is proving very popular with more than 130,000 people putting forward their views last week. And questions on Te Reo Māori have thrown up some interesting answers, even though Willie says it won't be a political hot potato. Asked how much support there should be for the language, 40% felt it should stay about the same. Just over 30% said less and 27% said more, with 1% undecided. Now, broken down, a higher percentage of women felt the support should either remain the same or be increased, while most men felt it should either stay the same or decrease. Come on, tāne mā. Between immigrants and New Zealand-born respondents, an equal 40% said it should stay the same, while comparatively fewer immigrants felt the language deserved more support. And finally, comparing Māori to non-Māori, 42% of non-Māori said it should stay the same, while only 52% of Māori felt the reo deserves more support. Come on, Māori mā.